Let's honor the man that's going to teach you how to communicate from the heart, because you can be a healer and be broke. How many of us know a couple of those people? But if you can communicate the message and learn from this guy, let's give it up, Dr. Fred DiDomenico.
BJ talked about the adjustment with that extra something. Now, what's that extra something? It's universal intelligence, moving through innate intelligence, through an adjustment to heal a physical body of disease. Is that chiropractic? Say yes. So how many people would like to add that extra something, even more extra something, not only in the adjustment, but in your life, so we can get the message of chiropractic out to humanity? Say yes. I graduated from LACC in 1987, and that was the anti-principal school. And my brother from another mother, Dr. John Braddock, brought me to DE, and that's where we got the principal. What did we get? About a year later, Billy D came up to us and he said, come on over to my clinic. We drug him to DE, and that's where we got unwavering conviction. What did we get? He heard that message one time, he threw down that white coat, and today we're at the 10th annual Cow Jam. One time. To me, there was no dimmer switch. Life force to the physical body heals. Would you guys agree? Anything less than 100% life force is what? It's death and dying. So I didn't see any gray. I saw you're either 100% life force or at some level your body's getting sick and dying. And because of that, I attracted patients where one adjustment, how many adjustments? One. Meant they were either going to live or they were going to what? Die. So I had a little 92-year-old Italian woman. She was about this big. And she came in and she said, I've been going to chiropractors since I was 3 years old. And I love chiropractic and I've been living the lifestyle and I want you to take care of me. I'm like, that's cool. Right? Chiropractic lifestyle. She kind of looked like my grandmother. You know, I figured eggplant parmesan, this is going to work out pretty well. So I'm liking that already. Right? A couple weeks later, she goes, do you know why I come to you? And I said, because I'm the coolest dude you ever met. I was joking. And she goes, what'd she say? No. She said, you have a purple aura around you. It's not my jacket. You have a purple aura around you, and that means you're a healer. And I thought, well, that's cool. And then I thought, you know, when I was at San Diego State bartending, drinking a bunch of tequila, I don't think I had a purple aura around me. I don't think that happened. But what gave me a purple aura? Number one, God. Number two, the principle. Number one. God. Number two, what? The principle. Because the first time I heard the principle, there was no wavering. There was no decision. It's truth. And so one day she came in and she said, I just came back from the hospital and a doctor told me my kidneys failed and if I don't get on dialysis, then I'm going to be dead by Monday. And she said, I want you to adjust me today and I want you to come to my house on Monday. Is that conviction? To what? The principle. Can we get some group participation? Right? But I never questioned the principle. So I said, okay. Now I figure there's two possibilities here. Number one, her daughter who she lives with is going to call me sometime before Monday and say you don't have to come over because my mom's passed. Or I'm not going to hear from her at all and I'm going to see her about 1 o'clock on Monday on my lunch break. So what I want to go through today are 5 steps. How many steps? 5. And 2 exercises. How many exercises? 2. Now I'm told I got to cut this short, so we're going to move fast. So I count on you to participate, stand up. We go through these. You guys are going to move fast. Say yes. Step 1. You're not a human being on a spiritual journey. You're a spirit on a human journey. What's that mean? That means universal intelligence through us through us means innate can channel universal energy. See, if you think you're a human seeking spiritual experience, then you're living an outside-in reference point.
The Cal Jam Network is your all-access pass to Cal Jam all year long. The site hosts hundreds of videos and endless chiropractic content. The network is a great resource for anyone passionate about chiropractic health. Visit this newly renovated Cal Jam streaming service at caljamnetwork.org.